Usually, creating a spotlight effect to light miniature scenes or a larger image circle for an interview-style background requires large fixtures with heavy, interchangeable modifiers. But these days it's also possible to achieve similar results with compact LEDs. To showcase this, we are using 3 devices with varying light output and different sizes designed for small table scenery up to larger projection sets. These LEDs from SmallRig have a flashlight design with adjustable beam angle and can either be used to project a light circle or a shape by inserting Gobo plates. Additional accessories can be used to further manipulate the projection. The RF20C is the largest model with a maximum output of 20 Watt and a total of 5 colors. The medium-sized light is the RF10C with 10 Watt output and 4 selectable color options. The pocket-sized RF05B has a 5 Watt output and 8 Watt boost mode, which is currently the only bicolor model in the lineup with adjustable color temperature of 1900 Kelvin to 8000 Kelvin. All units have a minimalistic design and user interface. The 2 color models can simply be operated by pressing and rotating the push dial to adjust brightness and switch between colors. The tiny RF05B is the only one with a different approach, featuring an OLED display, a power button, 2 arrow buttons to adjust white balance and brightness, while also having the option to switch to 12 adjustable effect modes. The beam angle can be manually tweaked by pulling out the front element. This way, the image circle narrows or widens depending on how far the front lens is extending. The 20C has a beam angle of 24 degrees to 60 degrees, the 10C can focus between 10 degrees to 60 degrees, while the 05B has an adjustable angle of 17 degrees to 65 degrees. Since the 20 Watt model has the highest light output, it's best suited to illuminate large backgrounds with talent in front of it, either with a regular lens or with Gobos. It's also useful as a professional key light or to directly light subjects from the front or side to create a distinct spotlight look. This even works well in mixed light environments or outdoors due to its relatively high output. As an in-between model, the RF10C can be used in a similar way to the 20C with half the light output at 10 Watt and 4 color beats, but plenty of ways to get creative looks to either light product shots but also backdrops. The RF05B is easily overlooked due to its small size and seemingly limited output, but it's actually pretty versatile thanks to the number of available accessories such as color filters or colored film slides. This is a practical option for small scenery table shots or macro product captures. In our tests regarding color accuracy and light output, the 20C projected 5100 lux at 1 meter distance when set to white color, which is equivalent to 5600 Kelvin. It has a CRI of 97+ and a TLCI of 99+. Both the 10C and 05B have a color rendering index of 96+ and a TLCI of 98+. When it comes to accessories, SmallRig offers several optical add-ons to fine-tune or completely alter the projected light. The 20 Watt and 10 Watt LEDs each come with a push-on silicon Gobo holder with 20 shape designs. An optional but rather impressive accessory for these 2 units is the SPR spotlight that can be screwed onto the front lens and increases the brightness 4 times. It has a beam angle of 36 degrees with a manual focus element to get a sharp image circle from 25 cm distance to infinity. It features 4 adjustable barn doors to tweak the shape of light. There's also a magnetic Gobo holder with 10 templates that can be inserted and removed from the side. To keep the setup as compact as possible, the RF05B features its own line of accessories, including a curved diffuser, a snoot, and a 4-leaf barn door. When it comes to mounting, the 20C and 10C feature a 1/4 inch threaded hole on each side of the push dial and one on the bottom end. For additional safety, the 20C has 20 pins on each side to avoid any rotation when being mounted onto a magic arm or other compatible gear. The 05B also has a 1/4 inch 20 threaded hole located on the opposite side of the display. All three devices come in a housing made from aluminium alloy. According to the manufacturer, the surface has been treated by sandblasting and hard anodizing for superior texture and durability. All models can be charged and powered via USB-C. The 20C takes 80 minutes to fully recharge and has a maximum runtime of 100 minutes with active cooling. The 10C has the biggest battery and takes roughly 3.5 hours to charge with the same amount of runtime. The O5B roughly needs 2 hours to charge and can run up to 125 minutes. All in all, these compact spotlights are a solid alternative to larger fixtures, with the 20-watt option fitting well into a professional video production environment, the 10-watt model being the all-in-one option for creators, and the 5-watt model having a clear focus on table and miniature shoots. More info about these LEDs can be found in the description below the video.